Check this out, we got a pick of the week, a nice good looking running shoes. We got the Air Zoom Vomero 14, black, white, thunder and gray. They are selling for $69.97, no additional discount, but the price alone not bad for a running shoes. Nice one here, Nike React Element 55 SE, selling for $99. This one is new in stock and this outlet, so probably this one's still up on that price, but I bet it's gonna go down. Look at this one, we get the Nike Air Max 720 Waves, and the colorway is the blue, void red, depth and black. Look at that one, some kind of premium leather on the toe box with a different kind of design, and the air bubble is really good. It's kind of the Air Max 720 Waves, a little bit low, but the price is kind of a little bit stiff. This one's gonna go down, I bet. Alright, Jordan Pro React $59.97. On the other outlet they were $59.97 with additional 20. Same on the price. The other colorways, the black and white, on the other outlet they also had a 20% off. This Air Jordan Legacy 312 is still high, and the lows, some of them is already on the hash wall, so just have to wait for them to go to the hash wall, but it's still $59.99. I will pass. Check out this one, we got the Air Jordan 8 Retro SE. The retail is $225. The colorway is the white, black and red orbit, but they are still in retail though. There's no additional discount. Probably I'll just wait for a while. Another one here, we got the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE. Colorway is the black anthracite. We got the Jordan 13 Ferrari. As you can see, there is this one just released this month or last month, not really sure. Comment down below what do you think. And they are selling for the retail $200, no additional discount, no markdown yet. I'm gonna keep eye on this one. We have a full size run from 8 through 13, so they got a bunch on my size, which is the 10.5, so I'm gonna eye on those. What do you think on this one? Are you gonna cop them on this price now or just gonna wait? Another one, Air Jordan 10 Retros for $139, no additional discount. The retail is $190 and they're selling for $139.99, and the colorway is the Racer Blue, Team Orange and Black. What do you think on this one? Come on, please come in this one and get it. They're still here sitting on $99.97 with the no additional. Last time they had additional 20%. We got the Air Jordan 2 Retro BHM. They still have plenty in here. Come on and get it. All these Jordan Mars 270 still sitting all here. The colorway on this one reflects silver, gun smoke. The other one black reflect silver, gem and red, and also the shutter backboard 270 still sitting here. Are you looking for a trail shoe? We got a 34.97. The Aquan 2 retail for 125. Colorway is the Obsidian Fuel Orange. Not bad for the price. Too much going on the color, especially on that one, but hey, this one is really good, especially on the traction. Not bad at all. 34.97. Hey, how about this one? LeBron Soldier 13 SFG, and they're already here in the outlet. Last time I saw them on the other outlet, possibly one of those are returned, and this one they have the full size run from 7 to 13. We got colorway is the voltage purple, dynamic yellow 119 or 120. What do you think on this one? So what is your thought on the Air Max Uptempo 95 selling for $79.97, and the retail on this one is $160. Colorways the white, blue fury, canyon, and gold. Color is too much for me. I'll pass on those. $79.97. And how about the other Air Max Uptempo 95? Colorway is the white, university red, and black. $89.97 and $89.99, and the retail is $160. This one much better colorway, but the price still stiff on me. I'll wait if they go down 50 or 49. Still got a bunch of 720 here. We got the new one here selling for $129.99. This is the Nike Air Max 720 Waves, a different colorway, still high for that price. This one is much better colorway, the black metallic silver 720, $89.99. I'd prefer this one though. Not bad for this one. I hope they are selling for $69 with additional 20 or 30. Also, how about the Air Max 720 white metallic platinum? Sell up for $99. Good looking for summer shoes, and if you are more into vibrant color, university red gem of the Air Max 720 selling for $134. And also another 720 black racer in blue, $89.99 with some kind of checker going on right there, and blue bubbles. How about the Nike Air Max 95 essential colorway is the white, chrome, yellow, and black, and they're selling for $130 though, still high. Okay, let's check out what we could find in the hash wall. Okay, not much going on here. On this size we got something here on size 12. Nothing. How about this one? The Nike Zoom KD12 NRG. Colorway is black and white, golf, and gray. So check out on that one. So there you go. Nice going on this nice basketball shoes though. Any takers for $109.99 with the additional 20. How about this one? Nike Air Max Zero Essential, $69.99 with additional 20. Mamba Rage white and black and pure platinum, $69.99 with the 20. We got Air Jordan Legacy 312 lows. Colorway is the Pale Vanilla University Gold, $59.97. They are flooding here. Also different colorway, the Air Jordan Legacy 312 low, Summit white and red, also on $59.99. Looking for a very cheap basketball shoes, you got the Nike Zoom Assertion for $39.97 with the additional 20. Colorway is the white chrome gum light and brown. Not bad for that one. And that will be all on this video. Please let me know what you think on the new in stock on this outlet. So let me know which one is your favorite, which one is the best to cop. So and if you feel like it, hit the subscribe button, and if you really like what you see, tap that like button and turn on your notification bell. Jay Nolasco here as always. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.